Hello friends, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Professor S.P. Singh from Faculty of Management Studies, Gurukul Kangdi University, Haridwar. Today we are going to study the Module 10, Challenges to Human Resource Management. Friends, after studying this module, you shall be able to know the human resource management, understand current challenges to HRM, and comprehend future challenges to HRM. With the continuous changes in human resource management, it is important that managers, executives, and HR employees specifically understand the challenges that today's HRM group may encounter. Several changes taking place fast due to fluctuations in economies, domestic and global advancements are affecting human resources in wide-ranging issues. The various challenges to human resource management may be categorized in three different categories: workforce diversity, social conditions and expectations, the equality of work life, the influences of external environment and regulatory measures. The changing nature of workforce today is also big challenge for human resource management. The age, educational qualifications, gender, income, marital status, ethnicity, religion, sexual orientation, etc. of workers constitutes the dimensions of workforce diversity. Managing these changes involves managing cultural diversity and attaching value to diversity. The present social conditions are reflected in the workers' attitudes, values and expectations. With the rising levels of education, values and expectations among employees have also increased. Previous notions of managerial authority are getting replaced by increased employee influence and greater job involvement and faster means of upward communication. Increasingly, employees and managers are concerned about the quality of work life. The criteria for assessing the quality of work life in an organization includes sufficient and fair compensation, healthy and safe work environment, opportunity to use and develop human capacities, opportunity of continued growth and security, social integration in the work organization, balanced role of work and socially beneficial and responsible work. Workers at all levels in the workforce keep high expectations about these criteria. These expectations affect how organizations, specifically human resources, are managed. Several factors of external environment such as inflation periodically affects different economies. Rising costs and prices cause a wide range of problems in human resource management, including wage and salary structure. The global economy is creating a long-term trend with penetrating and far-reaching implications for HR professionals. International competition in goods and services is compelling major economies to enter into a global tie-ups as a response to increasing international competition, many international joint ventures have come into existence as a vehicle for enterprise to have institutional presence without establishing a wholly owned subsidiary abroad. Changes in technology will continue to shift employment from some sorts of jobs while continuing to a rise in productivity. For example, telecommunication and internet has already made it relatively easy for many to work at home. There is continuous increase in the use of computer in designing and manufacturing systems plus robotics. More and more HR professionals are becoming primarily responsible for helping to make the efforts at business globalization effective. The need to identify and place employees, mainly managerial and professional personnel, in foreign subsidiaries or joint ventures is one of the important challenges. Manufacturing advances are eliminating many blue-collar jobs, replacing them with knowledge workers. The pace of office automation is changing the ways office work is done. Labor-intensive jobs are decreasing while technical, managerial and professional jobs are increasing. Redesign of jobs and organizational structures, creation of new incentive and compensation plans are being established. New job descriptions, written and selection of new employee, performance evaluation and conduct of training programs with as assistance of HR department. Technology will also compel firms to become more competitive. Information technology has also speeded the fall of hierarchy. Managers now depend less and less on past chain of command approach to organizing. Every employee with a personal computer on his desk can access the firm's computer network and get needed information. HR plays an integral role in any such changes. Various organizational changes like corporate reorganization, change management, compensation and benefits, slower growth, recruiting skilled employees, need for training and development, leadership development and globalized workforce have posed challenges for human resource management. Acquisitions and mergers, along with other forms of corporate reorganizations, were the chief characteristics of 20th century business scenario. A corporation buying another, two corporations joining forces, or companies undergoing massive reorganization was the more usual feature. The organizations aim to improve competitiveness either by cutting layers of supervision and restructuring the workforces or by gaining scale economies through combining efforts. It is difficult to imagine circumstances that posed a greater challenge for human resource management than the reorganizations that have characterized the last 15 years. In the meantime, employees may not exactly know what role they have to play in the new organizations. As a result of reorganizations, employees may face several changes concerning jobs, pay benefits, and compensation. To a greater extent, corporations consider reorganizations as routine business transactions. Reduced pace of growth in markets and in some cases declining markets has reduced opportunities for many organizations. One result of the changed circumstance was the greatly diminished opportunity for talented employees. In the past, newly hired hourly employees started in a routine but important job and then moved into other areas, usually within 1 year. With growth in a standstill, employees with many years of seniority had to remain in entry level positions. Of course, many of those pushed out of the organizations because of the massive layoff that have dominated the news. View others in situations of diminished opportunity as the fortune ones. Change management is another challenge that HR departments are facing. The HR managers take measures to resolve with their own changing roles in corporate society. Additionally, to changes in the other jobs and the overlapping responsibilities, knowing the change is the beginning towards embracing the change. With a slow economy and tightening corporate investments, the issue of compensation and employee benefits is the issue that almost every business must be concerned with. The solution lies in to make mandatory changes in such a way that employees accept them, if not essentially hold similar opinions with them, while providing morale boosting incentives whenever possible to make the changes less traumatic. In the times of declining employment, it would appear that identifying qualified workers would be simpler than ever. Various industries are experiencing acute shortages for employees with employable skills and the training or degree required. As one of the biggest challenges for human resource management, development of leadership needs to be an important strategic initiative. HR professionals face the expectation of providing the organizational structures, processes of work, tools and ideas to make the best selection and develop would-be leaders of the organization. One major HR challenge with globalized workforce is formulating and implementing strategies for hiring and retaining employees for tomorrow's changing workforce. A shrinking youth population in developed countries and high youth unemployment in developing countries is causing skill shortages. The typical business is increasingly becoming knowledge based, an organization composed largely of specialists who direct and discipline their own performance through organized feedback from colleges, customers, and headquarters. The most significant feature of HRM is the importance attached to strategic integration, which flows from top management's vision and leadership, and which requires the full commitment of people to it. A key policy goal for HRM concerned with the ability of the organization to integrate HRM issues into its strategic plans to ensure that the various aspects of HRM cohere and to encourage line managers to incorporate an HRM perspective into their decision making. Friends, in this module, we have studied the current and future challenges of human resource management. Thanks for visiting EPG Pathshala.